In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Docusign reminder. If you've ever needed a gentle nudge to remind someone to review or sign a document, this feature is incredibly useful. So let's dive into the process and ensure your agreements get the attention they deserve. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is the leading provider of electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a staple for many businesses and individuals who need official documents signed securely and efficiently. Once there, the next step you'll take is to click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials to access your account. If you have your login information handy, this step should be a breeze, but if you've forgotten, don't worry, you can easily reset your password by following the prompts on the site. Once you're successfully logged in, head over to the Docusign homepage. Here you'll find all the options you need to manage your documents. Now look for the Start button. Clicking on Start will guide you into the process of preparing your documents. It's an intuitive interface designed to streamline creating and managing agreements. After opening the starter page, click on the Advanced Options. This section gives you more control and flexibility over how your document transactions are handled, which is exactly where we need to be for setting up reminders. Advanced options can be quite powerful, offering features that elevate your document management from basic to expertly nuanced. Within the Advanced Options menu, you'll see an option labeled Reminders. Click on it and you'll be able to set up automatic reminders to prompt the recipients of your document to complete their action, whether it's signing or reviewing. Setting up reminders is vital in ensuring your agreements don't fall by the wayside due to oversight or busy schedules. You'll have the ability to customize when reminders are sent, such as choosing specific intervals that match your timeline or urgency. And that's it! You've successfully set up a Docusign reminder. This process ensures that your recipients are gently nudged to take action, which can be a lifesaver in keeping your projects on track. By following these steps, you make sure your documents don't get forgotten and continue to move through pipelines efficiently. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks on getting the most out of Docusign. Thanks for watching and happy signing.